Could the wildfire disaster in Los Angeles, USA, be caused by aliens? The calm night in Los Angeles suddenly erupted into a blazing inferno. Ferocious flames devoured entire forests, accompanied by the screams of nature and the panic of humans. Plumes of smoke spiraled high into the sky, obscuring the stars. Amidst the shimmering light of the fire, something peculiar appeared. A powerful streak of light cut across the night sky, so swift that if you blinked, you would miss it. It wasn't a plane, nor a shooting star, but a phenomenon no one could explain. Locals called it the mysterious light. But was it really that simple? We all know that wildfires are no stranger to Los Angeles. Prolonged droughts, soaring temperatures, and the heat of summer turn the region into a tinderbox waiting to ignite. But what's strange is that, in recent years, wildfires have not only become more frequent, but are also accompanied by inexplicable phenomena. Reports of unidentified flying objects, UFOs, near fire sites, brilliant blue lights beaming directly to the ground, and even eerie sounds echoing in the night have raised significant questions. What is truly behind these fires? Could we be dealing with forces beyond Earth? The story began with a couple camping in the Angeles National Forest. They recounted that, around midnight, when the forest was utterly silent, a blinding light suddenly appeared in the sky. It didn't resemble the light from planes or satellites. It moved rapidly, changed direction unpredictably, and emitted a strange sound. Minutes later, a wildfire erupted fiercely, consuming everything in sight. Their story spread quickly, and they weren't the only ones. Many other witnesses reported similar phenomena. A local resident near the fire zone said he saw a beam of light so intense that it seemed to pierce through the forest. Another claimed to hear a metallic whizzing sound as the light appeared. Stories like these are not new, but this time, the strange phenomena are happening more frequently than ever. The question is, what are we really facing? Scientists quickly got involved, but no explanation proved entirely satisfactory. Some experts suggested it was mere coincidence. The lights could be from satellites or atmospheric phenomena, and the strange sounds might come from wildlife. But for those who believe in extraterrestrial life, this is the clearest evidence yet that we are not alone. They argue that aliens are either testing some kind of technology or even intentionally causing disasters to send humans a message. Don't laugh too soon. If you think this is just another far-fetched conspiracy theory, remember that numerous UFO-related documents have been declassified by the US government. In 2020 alone, the Pentagon released 3 videos showing military pilots encountering unidentified flying objects. These objects moved at speeds and in ways no human technology could replicate. This lends more weight to the theory that some extraterrestrial force is interfering with our world. But if that's true, why would aliens be interested in the forests of Los Angeles? Some suggest they are exploiting natural resources. Others believe it's their way of monitoring Earth, or worse, testing high-tech weapons. No one knows for sure, but the evidence left behind after the wildfires, unusually high temperatures, and perfectly circular burn marks, as if cut by lasers, makes the mystery even harder to unravel. At this point, the question is no longer whether aliens exist. The real question is, what are they doing here, and what is their purpose? Are the wildfires merely accidents, or are they part of a larger plan we cannot comprehend? In this video, we will delve into every aspect of the issue, from scientific evidence to mystical stories, from researchers' perspectives to controversial theories. Let's uncover the truth behind these fires and see if we can find the answer to the biggest question: wildfire disasters in Los Angeles, USA. natural accidents or conspiracies from an extraterrestrial force. The current state of wildfires in Los Angeles. Los Angeles, a city known for its dazzling lights and lush green forests, has now become the epicenter of one of the most terrifying environmental disasters of the century. In 2020 alone, over 4 million hectares of forest in California, most of it surrounding Los Angeles, were burned to ashes. This area is equivalent to the size of the entire country of Denmark. And even more alarming, this is not an isolated case. Wildfires in Los Angeles have not only become more frequent, but also more intense, prompting residents to ask, what has led us into this tragedy? Every summer, as temperatures rise, fires silently ignite, starting from a tiny spark and quickly spreading into massive walls of fire. In the Angeles National Forest, once home to thousands of animal species, there are now only charred tree trunks, fields of ash, and an eerie silence. According to statistics from the U.S. Forest Service, wildfires have increased by 70% in both frequency and severity over the past decade. Even more troubling, 2020 marked a tragic milestone with an unprecedented record. 31 fatalities, tens of thousands of displaced residents, and air pollution so severe that Los Angeles residents had to wear masks even indoors. The impacts of wildfires extend beyond just numbers. When forests burn, ecosystems burn with them. Animals such as deer, bears, and wolves, once roaming freely in the forests of Los Angeles, now face extinction due to habitat loss. Birds, especially rare species, have lost their nesting grounds and gradually disappeared from the skies over Southern California. Rivers and streams, once babbling through the forests, are now filled with ash, drastically altering aquatic ecosystems. Even the soil is not spared. When forests are destroyed, the fertile topsoil erodes, leading to severe landslides after heavy rains. The devastation is not limited to the natural environment. Human health also suffers tremendously. According to a report by the California Health Organization, the concentration of PM 2.5 fine dust in Los Angeles during wildfire periods is 10 times higher than the safe limit recommended by the World Health Organization, a WHO. Prolonged exposure to this dust can lead to serious respiratory, cardiovascular, and even lung cancer diseases. For children and the elderly, the risk of death is even higher due to weaker immune systems. Many hospitals in the area have had to operate at full capacity to treat cases of severe breathing difficulties or allergies caused by the smoke. NASA scientists have been monitoring these wildfires from space, using satellites to measure their heat and spread. They discovered that the wildfires in Los Angeles exhibit unusually high temperatures, sometimes exceeding 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit, about 650 degrees Celsius. This is not only sufficient to destroy all living organisms, but also to melt certain types of metal. NASA's data also shows that the smoke from these fires can travel thousands of kilometers, covering the Pacific Northwest, and even reaching Europe. This has turned Los Angeles into not only the center of a wildfire disaster, but also a factory emitting massive amounts of greenhouse gases. Meanwhile, environmental organizations such as Greenpeace and the World Resources Institute have warned that wildfires in Los Angeles could be a dire warning for the future of Earth. Prolonged heat waves, increasingly severe droughts, and the rise of firestorms are direct consequences of climate change, a problem humanity has willfully ignored for years. In fact, without immediate intervention, scientists predict that the area of forests burned annually in Los Angeles could double by 2050, pushing both humanity and nature into an irreversible crisis. However, behind all the numbers and data, what pains Los Angeles residents the most is the immeasurable loss, the memories and dreams tied to this land. Every corner of the forest, every stream was part of life, part of the culture, and now they exist only in memory. Wildfires have not only taken away the forests, but also robbed the city of a part of its soul. The severity of wildfires in Los Angeles is not just a tragic environmental story. It is a wake-up call for the entire world, a reminder of nature's fragility and the consequences of humanity neglecting its role in environmental protection. So, what truly lies behind these fires? Are they merely the result of climate change and human negligence? Or is there something else, something more mysterious, quietly at work? The answer is still waiting to be uncovered. It is no coincidence that Los Angeles has become the epicenter of devastating wildfires. Behind every major blaze lies deep-rooted causes, both natural and human-made, intertwined to create an inescapable spiral. Before diving into unusual theories, let's explore the most commonly recorded causes. One of the biggest culprits is the harshness of nature itself. Prolonged droughts have turned Los Angeles into an arid land where even a small spark can trigger disaster. According to a report by NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, California, including Los Angeles, experienced one of the worst droughts in history in 2020, with dryness peaking at levels unseen in over 1,200 years. Dry riverbeds, cracked soil, and parched vegetation have all become torches waiting to be ignited. Drought not only reduces atmospheric humidity, but also depletes the ecosystem's water reserves, leaving trees and plants brittle. Perfect fuel for a wildfire to erupt. When lightning storms strike, the situation worsens. NOAA statistics show that nearly 13% of California's wildfires each year are caused by lightning strikes. These are not ordinary lightning bolts, but dry lightning, occurring with little to no accompanying rain. Such lightning can ignite an entire forest in an instant, and in the dry conditions of Los Angeles, flames spread rapidly and uncontrollably. Climate change also plays a significant role. As global temperatures rise, summers in California have grown longer, hotter, and drier. Statistics reveal that wildfire seasons now last 78 days longer than they did 50 years ago, significantly increasing the risk of wildfires. However, nature is not the only cause. A sobering reality is that human activities also play a major role in sparking these tragedies. The relentless expansion of urban areas and logging activities have disrupted the natural ecosystem. Forests that once acted as natural fire breaks have been replaced by concrete structures or open spaces, which are highly susceptible to fires. Deforestation not only removes protective vegetation cover, but also creates conditions for stronger winds, which help fires spread more quickly. Additionally, human negligence is one of the most common causes of wildfires. Fires caused by trash burning, camping without properly extinguishing fires, or even a carelessly discarded cigarette can lead to catastrophic consequences. In one infamous wildfire in 2018, the cause was traced back to a family using fireworks during a gender reveal party, resulting in thousands of hectares of forest being burned. A small action with massive consequences, a costly lesson the residents of Los Angeles have learned the hard way. Sadly, not all wildfires are accidental. Some are deliberately caused by humans. Criminal groups or individuals with destructive intent have used fire as a tool to achieve their goals. A report by the U.S. Forest Service revealed that nearly 10% of California's wildfires each year are intentionally set by humans. A troubling statistic that highlights the ongoing issue of arson. Data from NOAA also provides a stark overview of the impact of both nature and humans. The report indicates that in 2020, nearly 90% of wildfires in the United States were directly or indirectly linked to human activity. In California alone, 54% of fires were triggered by activities such as trash burning, fireworks, or improperly operated mechanical equipment. This figure not only emphasizes the role of humans in controlling wildfire risks, but also serves as a harsh reminder of our responsibility toward the environment. In summary, wildfires in Los Angeles result from a combination of natural and human factors. Nature, with its harsh conditions exacerbated by climate change, has created an ideal environment for fires to ignite. But it is the careless or deliberate actions of humans that serve as the last straw, turning potential risks into uncontrollable disasters. To prevent future wildfires, not only are effective environmental management measures necessary, but also a fundamental shift in how humans perceive and treat nature. Without this change, we will remain trapped in a self-perpetuating cycle, watching forests continue to burn and the consequences grow ever more severe. Los Angeles is not only infamous for its raging wildfires that consume millions of hectares of forest, but also for the strange, unexplainable phenomena that occur just before and during these fires. These occurrences not only bewilder local residents, but also draw the attention of scientists and conspiracy theorists alike. In the shared accounts, there is a common thread: mysterious lights, the appearance of unidentified flying objects, UFOs, and peculiar coincidences between astronomical phenomena and the timing of the disasters. Many witnesses have recounted unforgettable experiences leading up to major wildfires. A notable example is the wildfire in the Angeles National Forest in 2019. A group of campers reported seeing a dazzling light in the sky, appearing suddenly and disappearing within seconds. This light didn't resemble airplane lights, emitted no sound, and moved in an unusual manner, hovering in one spot before darting away at an unimaginable speed. Hours later, a fire broke out in the exact area where the light had appeared. The group's story quickly spread and was corroborated by numerous similar reports from other regions. A resident in northern Los Angeles recounted seeing a pale blue beam of light shining directly onto the ground, resembling a giant laser. Strangely, a devastating wildfire erupted shortly after, with no discernible cause. These mysterious lights are often accompanied by sightings of unidentified flying objects, UFOs, a factor that fuels suspicions that the wildfires might be linked to extraterrestrial forces. According to local authorities, dozens of witnesses claim to have seen UFOs just before major fires broke out. One notable account comes from a truck driver passing through the San Bernardino National Forest. He recounted that one August night, while driving through the area, he suddenly noticed a disc-shaped flying object with bright lights hovering above the treetops. The object made no sound, but its lights were so intense that they illuminated the surrounding area. Just hours after the object disappeared, flames began to spread rapidly from the very area he had passed. Similar reports were recorded from residents living near wildfire zones. They described oddly shaped objects moving swiftly and vanishing without a trace, leaving behind sprawling fires whose causes remained a mystery. Adding to the intrigue is a strange coincidence that astronomers cannot ignore. Unusual astronomical phenomena often coincide with the timing of major wildfires. In September 2020, when California experienced one of its most catastrophic wildfires in history, scientists recorded a series of abnormal astronomical events. One of these was the occurrence of powerful solar storms, streams of charged particles ejected from the sun at high intensity, capable of affecting Earth's magnetic field. Researchers from NASA noted that solar storms could produce strange lights in the sky, similar to auroras, but appearing in unusual locations like Los Angeles. These lights may have been mistaken for other mysterious phenomena. However, scientists have yet to explain why these solar storms so frequently coincide with the timing of wildfires. Another significant astronomical event was the appearance of the Neowise comet in 2020. This comet passed very close to Earth, and during its passage near Los Angeles, major wildfires broke out with unprecedented severity. Many dismissed this as mere coincidence, but some questioned whether the comet, with its potential atmospheric effects, might have triggered unusual climatic phenomena, indirectly leading to the fires. Furthermore, astronomical records noted several meteor showers occurring at the same time as major wildfires, raising suspicions that small meteor fragments might have fallen to Earth, accidentally igniting flames. The stories of mysterious lights, unidentified flying objects, and coinciding astronomical events paint a complex picture, making the explanation of wildfire causes in Los Angeles more difficult than ever. Are these merely random occurrences, or is there a hidden connection that humanity has yet to uncover? Whether natural or extraterrestrial, these phenomena continue to raise profound, unanswered questions, turning the wildfires in Los Angeles into not just an environmental disaster, but also a captivating enigma. Aliens and conspiracy theories. In the vast universe with billions of galaxies and countless planets, why would Earth, a tiny planet in the solar system, become a potential target of interest for aliens? This question has perplexed not only scientists, but also conspiracy enthusiasts for years. Several plausible theories have been proposed, ranging from resource extraction to technology testing or even monitoring human activities. These theories are not purely imaginative, but are also supported by declassified UFO documents from the Pentagon, painting a compelling picture of extraterrestrial interest in Earth. One of the most convincing reasons aliens might be drawn to Earth is the potential for resource exploitation. Earth is not only home to vast amounts of water, a rarity in the universe, but also holds valuable mineral resources such as gold, platinum, uranium, and rare earth elements. These minerals are not only essential to human technology, but could also be invaluable energy sources for advanced civilizations. If aliens have developed technologies far beyond human capabilities, they may be seeking resources to sustain or expand their civilizations. Evidence from UFO documentation indicates that many witnesses have reported unidentified flying objects, UFOs, hovering near mineral mines or areas rich in natural resources, raising suspicions that these objects are not merely sightseeing, but may have actual extraction purposes. Beyond resource extraction, another theory suggests that aliens might use Earth as a giant laboratory to test new technologies or weapons. This idea is not far-fetched if we consider how humans have tested nuclear bombs on remote islands or barren deserts. For an advanced civilization, Earth could be an ideal environment to trial new devices, especially since it has the necessary elements such as an atmosphere, gravity, and biodiversity. Some strange phenomena associated with wildfires, such as mysterious lights or perfectly charged streaks resembling laser cuts, have led scientists and conspiracy theorists to speculate that these might be traces of alien technology. Declassified reports from the Pentagon also note flying objects with speeds and maneuverability far surpassing any current human technology, prompting questions about whether these technologies might be experimental products from an alien civilization. Additionally, another compelling reason is the possibility that aliens are monitoring human activities and Earth's environment. If Earth is indeed a unique planet with life, observing and collecting data from it could help aliens study or preserve a rare living resource in the universe. This theory is not only intriguing, but also supported by many UFO researchers. They argue that UFO encounters often occur near areas of military or technological significance, such as Air Force bases or scientific research centers. This suggests that aliens may be tracking human progress, particularly advancements in energy and weaponry. The devastating environmental impact of wildfires in Los Angeles may have drawn their attention. From the perspective of an extraterrestrial civilization, humanity's destruction of its environment could serve as a concerning signal, prompting them to intervene or monitor more closely. Evidence from declassified UFO documents further strengthens these theories. In 2020, the Pentagon released 3 videos showing U.S. military pilots encountering unidentified flying objects. These objects moved at astonishing speeds, changed directions abruptly, and emitted no noise, features unattainable with current human technology. One of the pilots, Lieutenant Commander David Fravor, described a tic-tac-shaped object appearing on radar and mysteriously disappearing. Notably, such encounters often occur near nuclear facilities or strategically sensitive areas, fueling theories that aliens might be observing and analyzing human technological capabilities. Overall, if aliens are indeed interested in Earth, their attention could stem from various reasons. Whether for resource extraction, technology testing, or monitoring human development, these theories suggest one thing. Earth is not just an ordinary planet in the universe. It is a treasure trove with unique potential, a natural laboratory, and a valuable source of information for any advanced civilization. While we cannot yet confirm their presence, the signs and evidence recorded so far make the question increasingly compelling. Are we living under the observation of a force beyond human comprehension? The strange phenomena related to wildfires are not limited to Los Angeles, but have also appeared in many other parts of the world, sparking suspicions of extraterrestrial intervention. From the lush Amazon rainforests in South America to the arid woodlands of Australia and the frigid wilderness of Siberia, they all share a common feature: unusual events occurring right before or during the disasters, leaving researchers baffled in their search for explanations. In the Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the Earth, major wildfires over the past decade have not only shocked the world with their devastation, but also with the strange phenomena that accompanied them. A notable account comes from the massive fires in 2019. As the flames grew uncontrollably, witnesses near the Amazon reported sightings of unidentified flying objects, UFOs. Many recounted seeing brilliant beams of light moving across the sky, hovering briefly before vanishing into the night. Some witnesses claimed that the UFOs appeared directly over areas where fires had just started, as if observing or influencing the flames. The story took an even stranger turn when cameras used by a local research team also captured these unusual lights. While scientists later explained that the lights could be optical effects caused by the heat from the fires, many believe they were signs of extraterrestrial presence, especially since Amazon wildfires often coincide with UFO sightings in the region. Beyond South America, Australia has also been a hotspot for mysterious phenomena linked to wildfires. In 2020, when the country faced one of its worst wildfire seasons in history, scientists at the park's observatory detected a series of unusual radio signals. These signals were recorded during the wildfires and originated near the areas where the flames were most intense. What stood out was that the radio waves did not match any natural sources known to scientists. Some theories suggested they might be signals from human-made satellites or technology. However, the unique frequency and intensity of these signals led many to suspect they originated from an extraterrestrial source. While astronomers continue their efforts to decipher the signals, many believe they could be evidence of an advanced alien civilization monitoring or even intervening on our planet. Another equally famous case occurred in Siberia, a region that has witnessed many mysterious natural phenomena. In 1908, a massive explosion in the Tunguska area devastated a forested region spanning 2,000 square kilometers, toppling over 80 million trees. Before the explosion, numerous witnesses reported seeing a mysterious light in the sky. This light was intensely bright and lasted several minutes, moving slowly before disappearing, followed by a thunderous explosion. Scientists later theorized that the Tunguska explosion might have been caused by a meteor or an ice comet disintegrating in the atmosphere. However, this theory has significant gaps, particularly since no meteor fragments were ever found. This has fueled various conspiracy theories, including suggestions that the explosion was the result of an alien technology experiment. The strange lights seen before the explosion remain a crucial factor supporting this hypothesis. Looking at similar cases around the world, a recurring pattern seems to emerge. Strange phenomena often occur right before or during significant wildfire disasters. Whether it's mysterious lights in the Amazon, unusual radio waves in Australia, or the enigmatic explosion in Siberia, all these events raise profound unanswered questions. This has led to the hypothesis that wildfires may not solely be natural disasters, but could also involve mysterious activities beyond human understanding. Could these areas be research stations or testing grounds for alien civilizations? Or are these merely coincidences that humanity is attempting to piece together? Whatever the answer, these phenomena continue to fuel curiosity and drive us to uncover the truth behind the wildfires. When large wildfires break out, scientists often rely on evidence at the scene to determine their cause. However, in some cases of wildfires in Los Angeles and other places, the traces left behind do not align with any known natural causes. Researchers have begun uncovering a series of strange phenomena, making the hypothesis of extraterrestrial technology intervention increasingly plausible. From burn marks with unusually high temperatures to concentrated beams of light from above and strange sounds accompanied by chemical odors. All these clues paint a mysterious picture of a force potentially far beyond human understanding. One of the first unusual signs recorded is burn marks that do not match natural causes. According to forestry experts, the temperature in typical wildfires usually ranges from 500 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. However, at some sites in Los Angeles, temperatures were measured as high as 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit, enough to melt metal. This is entirely different from standard wildfires and is difficult to explain through natural factors like lightning strikes or spreading flames. Additionally, investigators found perfectly cut marks on trees, resembling cuts made by lasers or some kind of advanced tool. These cuts were straight and smooth, unlike the jagged edges typically seen when trees are burned or toppled by strong winds. Experts suggest that if these marks are indeed evidence of advanced technology, we could be dealing with a power source not of this Earth. Beyond the strange burn marks, satellite imagery from NASA and other climate observation organizations has captured another notable phenomenon: concentrated beams of light from above in areas where fires occurred. These images show a powerful, focused light source appearing to shoot from above to the ground. Analysis indicates that these beams are not natural light, as they appeared for very short durations and concentrated on specific points before the fires erupted. Based on spectral data, researchers noted that the energy from these beams resembles high-powered laser technology. While some theories suggest they might be reflected light from satellites or atmospheric phenomena, others question whether these could be signs of extraterrestrial technology at work. Reports from the Pentagon on unidentified flying objects, UFOs, have also speculated that aliens might possess advanced technologies capable of producing such beams. Adding to the mystery, local witnesses have provided further accounts that deepen the intrigue. In some wildfire cases, residents near the sites reported hearing strange sounds before the fires began. These sounds were described as a prolonged whistling or a noise similar to metal being intensely scraped, entirely different from the natural sounds they were accustomed to. Some even mentioned detecting a pungent chemical odor in the air, similar to the smell of ozone or an unknown compound. This is particularly strange, as wildfires typically produce smells of smoke and burning wood, not artificial chemical odors. Witnesses claimed that the unusual sounds and smells often occurred just before the fires started, raising suspicions that they might be the result of a device or technology we have yet to recognize. A notable incident occurred in the Angeles National Forest in 2018, where a witness accidentally captured video footage of a strong beam of light shining down into the forest from above, accompanied by a piercing, whistling sound. Just minutes later, a fire erupted and spread rapidly. This video was widely shared on social media, drawing the attention of UFO researchers and conspiracy theorists. While some scientists suggested the phenomenon might have been caused by a satellite launch or a human technological mishap, no concrete evidence has been found to support this explanation. Conversely, many believe this is clear evidence of alien intervention. In summary, the unusual burn marks, beams of light from above, and witness accounts have painted a mysterious picture of the wildfires in Los Angeles. If the theories about extraterrestrial intervention are true, these traces could serve as critical evidence, indicating that we are dealing with a force beyond Earth, possessing technology far beyond human comprehension. Although no official answers have been provided, these phenomena continue to raise significant questions. Are these wildfires merely the result of natural causes and human activity? Or are they signs of a mysterious plan being carried out by an alien civilization? Counter-arguments and scientific perspectives. While theories involving aliens spark curiosity and draw widespread attention, scientists hold a completely different view. According to them, there is no compelling evidence linking extraterrestrial beings to the wildfires in Los Angeles or the strange phenomena associated with them. Instead, experts from NASA and numerous international scientific organizations have provided explanations grounded in clear scientific reasoning. These devastating wildfires are the direct result of climate change and human activities, combined with natural phenomena observed over many years. Researchers from NASA assert that climate change has significantly increased the frequency and intensity of wildfires globally, and Los Angeles is no exception. The region is severely impacted by rising temperatures, prolonged droughts, and reduced rainfall, all clear signs of a disrupted climate system. Statistics show that wildfire seasons now last 78 days longer than they did 50 years ago, largely due to the significant rise in global average temperatures. A hotter atmosphere means water vapor evaporates more quickly, drying out soil and vegetation and turning them into fuel for fires. These wildfires don't need extraterrestrial intervention to ignite, a climate researcher from NASA stated. We've created the perfect conditions for fires to thrive, and that's our responsibility. In addition to climatic factors, human activities also play a crucial role in creating wildfire risks. Uncontrolled urban development, deforestation for construction, and careless actions like burning trash or failing to extinguish campfires properly all contribute to the increased likelihood of fires. Some scientists also point out that the expansion of highways, railways, and power lines through forests presents a potential fire hazard. According to them, sparks from broken power lines or friction from train wheels on tracks can easily ignite a large fire, especially in dry conditions like those in Los Angeles. As for the mysterious lights often reported before or during wildfires, meteorologists have offered much more natural explanations. According to them, these lights could result from natural atmospheric chemical reactions triggered by factors like high temperatures, particle friction in the air, or even electrical discharges from lightning. A specific example is the phenomenon of ball lightning, a rare atmospheric occurrence that often appears during thunderstorms or in high electric field environments. These luminous orbs can move unpredictably and emit brilliant light, easily leading people to mistake them for unidentified flying objects, UFOs. Moreover, meteorologists point out that some lights could be caused by reflections from satellites or airplanes flying at high altitudes. When sunlight reflects off the shiny surfaces of satellites or planes, it can create strong beams of light, particularly at night or during dawn and dusk. In cases where satellites move at high speeds, the light beams appear and vanish almost instantly, similar to the descriptions provided by many witnesses. "We don't need alien technology to explain strange lights in the sky," remarked an atmospheric physicist. "The atmosphere and natural phenomena themselves are extraordinary enough to amaze us." Although alien theories about wildfires have a certain appeal, scientists argue that they lack concrete and scientific evidence. Instead, they emphasize focusing on real factors, such as climate change and human activities, which will help us better understand the causes and find effective solutions to mitigate wildfire risks in the future. The strange phenomena we observe may simply be the result of a planet under pressure from its own inhabitants. However, it is crucial not to let these scientific perspectives completely dismiss curiosity and exploration. It is this curiosity that has driven humanity to progress in understanding the world around us. That said, according to scientists, the answers to the wildfires in Los Angeles are not beyond our reach. They lie in how we treat this planet, and what we choose to do next will determine the future, not only for Los Angeles, but for Earth as a whole. While theories about extraterrestrial intervention in Los Angeles wildfires continue to captivate the public's imagination, many experts and researchers offer more grounded explanations based on scientific, technological, and social factors. Mysterious lights, rumors spreading on social media, and unusual traces at wildfire scenes can often be explained by human activities rather than alien forces. First, the mysterious lights seen in the sky before or during wildfires might not be signs of alien technology, but simply the result of satellites or unmanned aerial vehicles, drones. With the significant rise in the use of space technology and aerial devices, lights reflected from satellites or signals from drones are no longer uncommon. According to aerospace experts, modern satellites with highly reflective surfaces often create dazzling beams of light when sunlight hits them at certain angles. These light beams, especially when moving quickly and disappearing in an instant, can easily be mistaken by observers for unidentified flying objects, UFOs. Additionally, the use of drones to monitor or film forest areas can produce unusual moving lights, particularly when these devices operate at night or in low-light conditions. Furthermore, in today's digital era, social media plays a significant role in amplifying strange theories. A short video clip or a widely shared image can quickly turn ordinary phenomena into sensational stories, drawing the attention of millions. For example, a video capturing bright lights in the Los Angeles sky, combined with some mystery surrounding wildfires, can easily transform into evidence supporting alien theories, when spread across platforms like TikTok, YouTube, or Reddit. Such stories often garner millions of views, comments, and shares, adding perceived credibility to theories that lack scientific foundation. Media analysts note that social media not only serves as a tool for spreading information, but also encourages users to embellish or colorize events, turning them into phenomena far more captivating than reality. In addition to technological and media-related explanations, another theory involves intentional human actions, particularly the intervention of criminal groups using advanced technology. Many investigators believe some wildfires might not originate from natural causes or human negligence, but are instead the result of deliberate acts of sabotage. The use of advanced technology, such as laser emitters or remote heat-generating tools, is entirely capable of sparking fires without leaving traditional traces. Certain criminal groups may use these technologies to achieve their goals, from land acquisition and environmental destruction to sending threatening messages. A notable example is the 2018 California wildfire, where investigators discovered signs of a remote-activated heat-emitting device. Although the case remains inconclusive, it raised suspicions that wildfires could be tools in the hands of criminal organizations or individuals with malicious intent. Additionally, wildfires can sometimes be linked to technical failures within human infrastructure systems. Several major fires in California have been proven to originate from sparks caused by broken power lines or overloaded electrical equipment. These incidents, combined with dry weather conditions and strong winds, can easily ignite uncontrollable fires. Notably, these factors are often overlooked when people focus on strange theories or unexplained phenomena. Overall, these alternative explanations provide a more realistic perspective on wildfire-related phenomena. While conspiracy theories and alien hypotheses may be entertaining and fuel the imagination, they often lack concrete scientific evidence. Instead, researchers encourage us to consider technological, media-driven, and human criminal factors as more plausible causes. The truth may not be as dramatic as in movies, but understanding the practical reasons is the first step toward addressing and solving the problem effectively. And while the question of extraterrestrial life remains unanswered, focusing on known factors can help us prevent future disasters and protect our living environment. In the quest to uncover answers to the mysterious phenomena associated with wildfires in Los Angeles, scientists and experts have conducted a series of field analyses and experiments to determine if any unusual factors are involved. These studies focus not only on collecting and analyzing evidence at the scene, but also on comparing the findings with typical wildfires to identify differences. By examining soil samples, ash, electromagnetic waves, and consulting specialists, they are working to decode the mysteries hidden behind the flames. One of the first steps in field analysis is comparing soil and ash samples from typical wildfires with those from fires deemed unusual. Scientists collected samples from the Angeles National Forest, an area prone to frequent wildfires, and analyzed the chemical properties of the soil and ash. In typical wildfires, post-fire soil usually exhibits high carbon content, low moisture levels, and altered structures due to heat exposure. However, in mysterious fires, scientists discovered some anomalies, such as soil temperatures exceeding 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit, a level rarely observed in natural wildfires. Additionally, these samples contained unusual chemical compounds, including rare metal elements like titanium and vanadium, suggesting potential interference from an unnatural heat source or technology. Furthermore, researchers focused on investigating unusual electromagnetic waves detected in fire-prone areas. Using magnetic wave and radar measurement equipment, they recorded data immediately after the fires were controlled. In some incidents, such as the 2019 Griffith Park fire, the devices detected spikes in high-frequency electromagnetic waves at the fire's center. These waves were markedly different from natural signals typically observed, such as those from lightning or conventional electromagnetic sources. One hypothesis posits that these waves may be linked to advanced technological devices, such as military drones or unidentified tools. However, some speculate they could be products of an extraterrestrial civilization, given the abnormal wave frequencies and their coincidence with other phenomena like mysterious lights. To further support their conclusions, researchers interviewed forestry and astronomy experts who possess extensive knowledge of wildfires and atmospheric phenomena. Forestry experts pointed out that in typical wildfires, the main fire sources are lightning strikes, sparks from human activities, or extreme weather conditions. However, they admitted that some traces at the scene, such as perfectly circular burn marks or trees cut in unusual ways, do not align with natural fire characteristics. One expert remarked, "We've never seen fire incidents with marks like these." It raises the question of whether a new technology was used here. Astronomers offered additional insights into the mysterious lights and electromagnetic waves. According to them, the strange lights could result from atmospheric optical phenomena, such as reflections from satellites or lightning storms. However, when asked about the possibility that the unusual electromagnetic waves originated from a non-Earth source, some experts did not rule out the idea. One renowned astronomer noted, "We cannot completely dismiss the hypothesis of extraterrestrial intervention, especially when these phenomena coincide with the timing and locations of wildfires." Combining field analyses, electromagnetic wave data, and expert opinions, the story of the mysterious wildfires in Los Angeles becomes more complex than ever. While there are scientific and practical explanations, significant gaps remain in understanding the true origins of these unusual signs. Scientists emphasize that reaching a definitive conclusion will require further research and experimentation in the future. Until then, these wildfires remain a major puzzle, challenging both human science and imagination. Cultural and socio-psychological perspectives. Humans have always been captivated by mysteries, especially the age-old question, are we truly alone in the universe? This question not only sparks imagination, but also serves as the root of deep-seated fears. Strange phenomena occurring during wildfires in Los Angeles, such as mysterious lights or unusual sounds, easily trigger associations with aliens in the human mind. The combination of fear and curiosity has become deeply embedded in popular culture, reinforced over decades by films, comic books, and conspiracy theories, leading to any inexplicable event quickly being attributed to extraterrestrial forces. Movies and popular culture play a significant role in shaping these thoughts. Iconic films like Independence Day and The X-Files have presented audiences with images of aliens that are both terrifying and mesmerizing. In Independence Day, aliens are depicted as an enormous threat, equipped with superior technology capable of annihilating Earth in an instant. Scenes of destructive beams firing from massive spacecraft have left a lasting impression on the imaginations of millions. These visuals not only entertain, but also plant the idea in viewers' minds that if aliens exist, their intervention on Earth would be dramatic and dangerous. Similarly, The X-Files created a world where inexplicable phenomena are consistently linked to alien intervention or supernatural forces. With its famous slogan, "The truth is out there," the series not only intrigued viewers, but encouraged them to question unexplained real-world events. This explains why, when mysterious lights appear before wildfires in Los Angeles, many people quickly connect them to UFOs or extraterrestrial civilizations rather than natural or scientific causes. Human psychology also tends to attribute strange phenomena to alien forces because this provides a satisfying way to explain the unexplainable. When faced with events beyond understanding, people often turn to extraordinary theories to fill the information gap. This stems from a fundamental psychological need, seeking meaning and order in a complex world. In this context, aliens become the perfect stand-in, an appealing and imaginative explanation. Mysterious wildfires, with their peculiar elements like intense lights, unusually high temperatures, and strange sounds, easily become fertile ground for alien-related conspiracy theories to thrive. A prime example is the mysterious blue lights reported before certain wildfires. Instead of attributing these lights to atmospheric optical phenomena or satellite reflections, many are quick to declare them as signs of UFOs. This belief is not just fueled by individual imagination, but is also reinforced by word-of-mouth stories and social media posts. A simple image or video of strange lights can quickly go viral, accompanied by claims that it is undeniable proof of alien existence. As a result, community psychology is influenced, and a natural phenomenon is transformed into evidence of supernatural intervention. Interestingly, this mindset is not solely driven by fear, but also by an endless curiosity about the universe. The idea that we are not alone, that an advanced civilization might be observing or even influencing life on Earth, creates a feeling of both excitement and unease. This curiosity is not confined to science fiction enthusiasts, but extends to serious fields of study, from astronomy to physics. The intersection of science and imagination amplifies the allure of theories related to aliens. In summary, the fear and curiosity about aliens are the products of a blend of popular culture, humanity's instinct to seek meaning, and the allure of the unknown. The mysterious phenomena linked to wildfires in Los Angeles are just one of countless examples of how humans quickly connect unexplained events to extraterrestrial forces. Even if they lack scientific basis, these thoughts persist and spread, not only because they spark imagination, but also because they fulfill a basic human need to understand and explore the world around us and beyond. In the digital age, media and social media are not just tools for disseminating information. They are also platforms for creating and amplifying sensational stories, often far removed from the truth. Regarding the wildfires in Los Angeles, social media has played a crucial role in exaggerating mysterious phenomena, transforming them from inexplicable events into captivating tales about aliens. However, the uncontrolled spread of information and fake videos on these platforms has fueled the unprecedented popularity of conspiracy theories. One of the most concerning aspects of social media is the dissemination of misinformation. A blurry video or photo of strange lights in the sky is enough to spark countless conspiracy theories that spread rapidly. These posts often lack credible evidence, but are accompanied by sensational headlines such as "Undeniable Proof of UFOs" or "Aliens Destroying Earth." The algorithms of platforms like TikTok and YouTube further amplify such videos. When content gains significant attention, it is shown more frequently on users' feeds, leading to an information bubble effect where people are only exposed to content reinforcing their beliefs. In reality, many videos of mysterious lights or unidentified flying objects, UFOs, linked to wildfires in Los Angeles have been proven to be fake or edited. Some content creators deliberately produce these videos using image editing software or add light effects to fabricate non-existent phenomena. For them, it is merely a way to attract views and earn advertising revenue. However, For viewers, especially those lacking critical media literacy, these videos become convincing evidence supporting alien-related theories. One widely circulated video showing a bright blue light before a wildfire erupted garnered millions of views on TikTok and thousands of comments claiming it was a UFO sign. Yet researchers later discovered the video had been digitally altered and bore no connection to reality. By the time the truth emerged, conspiracy theories had already spread and become part of the narrative. Additionally, social media platforms like TikTok and YouTube have significantly contributed to the proliferation of wildfire-related conspiracy theories. A prominent feature of these platforms is their ability to personalize content based on users' interests and behavior. This means that if someone shows interest in videos about UFOs or conspiracy theories, they are continuously fed similar content. This repetition not only reinforces viewers' beliefs, but also makes it harder for them to access alternative or scientifically grounded information. Short TikTok videos with simple explanations, eye-catching visuals, and sensational tones are particularly effective at spreading conspiracy theories. Some content creators even use clips from movies or documentaries to add credibility, making it easier for audiences to believe they are uncovering hidden truths. YouTube, with its longer videos, has also become a fertile ground for conspiracy theories. Many channels focused on UFOs and supernatural phenomena have leveraged wildfires to craft dramatic narratives. These videos often come with clickbait titles like "Aliens Have Attacked Los Angeles" or "The Mystery Behind U.S. Wildfires." These channels combine satellite imagery, videos of strange lights, and eyewitness accounts to construct convincing evidence, despite the content often lacking scientific basis or being taken out of context. With millions of views and thousands of supportive comments, such videos turn irrational theories into truths for a large segment of viewers. Another notable aspect is how social media drives rapid, unchecked sharing. A story or theory can originate from a small post, but with a few shares and added details, it quickly becomes a global phenomenon. Wildfire conspiracy theories are not confined to Los Angeles, but have been applied to fires worldwide, from Australia to the Amazon, creating an endless web of stories. This proliferation increases public skepticism and polarizes perceptions, making people more susceptible to misleading information. In summary, media and social media are not just tools for information dissemination, but have become mechanisms for shaping perceptions and fueling irrational theories. In the context of the Los Angeles wildfires, the spread of misinformation and the influence of platforms like TikTok and YouTube have turned inexplicable phenomena into dramatic alien narratives. While such stories may ignite the imagination, they also highlight the importance of verifying information and recognizing how media can manipulate our understanding of the world. Although stories about aliens might sometimes seem strange or lack scientific grounding, questioning their existence brings not only intellectual benefits, but also fosters the advancement of science and technology. These questions stimulate imagination, ignite boundless curiosity in the human mind, and pave the way for new research directions into natural phenomena and space exploration. Instead of dismissing aliens as mere conspiracy theories, we can view this subject as a tool to expand humanity's understanding and progress. One of the most significant impacts of questioning the existence of aliens is its ability to stimulate imagination and scientific curiosity. Since ancient times, humans have looked up at the night sky and wondered whether we are truly alone in this vast universe. That question has not only inspired myths, but also led to great scientific advancements. We invented telescopes to gaze further into the stars, built spacecraft to explore the solar system, and developed technology to detect signals from distant civilizations. The idea of aliens has driven scientists, engineers, and innovators to ask profound questions, unlocking human potential to conquer the unknown. Moreover, the concept of aliens enriches public imagination and cultural and artistic expressions. Science fiction novels, films like Interstellar and Contact, or works like The War of the Worlds are not just entertainment products. They inspire real scientific discoveries. These stories encourage humans to dream, while highlighting the desire to understand the universe and our place within it. When imagination and curiosity combine, they not only propel scientific progress, but also create powerful motivations to seek the truth. Beyond inspiring imagination, questioning the existence of aliens also drives research into natural phenomena and space technology. When a strange phenomenon occurs, such as mysterious lights in the sky or unusual radio signals, asking whether they could be linked to aliens often leads to remarkable scientific discoveries. For instance, in the search for signals from extraterrestrial civilizations, scientists discovered rare natural phenomena, such as the radio emissions from pulsars, a type of rapidly spinning neutron star. Initially, pulsars were thought to be signals from aliens because of their regular, repetitive nature. But deeper research ultimately expanded our understanding of astrophysics and the nature of the universe. Furthermore, investigating the possibility of alien life has spurred the development of space technology programs. Projects like SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, have led to advancements in signal detection technology, including massive radio telescopes and sophisticated signal analysis algorithms. These technologies not only aid in the search for aliens, but also have applications in telecommunications, artificial intelligence development, and optimizing data analysis systems. The quest to answer questions about extraterrestrial life has become a driving force for scientists to continually improve and push the boundaries of technology. In addition, studying the potential existence of alien life helps us better understand our own planet. Searching for conditions suitable for life on other planets, such as liquid water, oxygen-rich atmospheres, or organic compounds, has provided profound insights into life on Earth and how to protect it. Research in astrobiology, such as studying the survivability of bacteria in extreme environments, has led to applications in fields ranging from medicine to biotechnology. More importantly, the idea of aliens helps humanity reflect on its role in the universe. If one day we truly find evidence of extraterrestrial life, it would completely alter our understanding of existence and our place in the cosmos. But even without concrete findings, the journey of asking questions and seeking answers has already propelled humanity further in its quest for exploration. In conclusion, questioning the existence of aliens is not merely an imaginative exercise, but a powerful driver of scientific and technological advancement. From sparking curiosity to advancing research, these questions not only deepen our understanding of the universe, but also highlight humanity's limitless creativity. Even if the ultimate answer remains out of reach, the journey toward truth is an essential part of human progress. Los Angeles, the land of dazzling lights and Hollywood dreams, has now become known for a haunting reality: relentless wildfires and the mysterious phenomena that seem to accompany them. From strange lights in the sky and eerie whistling sounds echoing in the air to reports of unidentified flying objects, these events have raised profound questions. Are aliens truly connected to these wildfires, or are they merely products of vivid imagination and a culture obsessed with the unknown? Through this journey, we've explored scientific evidence, conspiracy theories, and counter-arguments, all of which show that the answer remains shrouded in a hazy gray area between reality and imagination. The wildfires in Los Angeles are not just environmental disasters, but also a significant puzzle challenging our understanding. Perhaps they are simply the results of climate change, human negligence, and natural chemical reactions in the atmosphere. However, we cannot ignore the strange factors such as unusually high soil temperatures, laser-like burn marks, or mysterious electromagnetic waves that have opened the door to speculation beyond conventional science. Whether or not aliens truly exist, these phenomena remind us that there is still much about the world and the universe that we have yet to comprehend. Now, it's your turn. After everything we've discussed, what do you think about these events? Are the stories about UFOs and mysterious lights evidence that we are not alone? Or are they just a grand misunderstanding fueled by human imagination? Whatever your perspective may be, the most important thing is to continue asking questions, seeking the truth, and expanding our knowledge. The world, and the universe, still holds countless mysteries waiting to be unraveled. It is our collective curiosity that drives science forward, enabling humanity to gradually lift the veil covering the unknown. Share your thoughts in the comments section. We'd love to hear your take. Are aliens truly connected to the wildfires in Los Angeles? Or are these stories simply a product of imagination and popular culture? Join the discussion and help shed light on this intriguing topic. If you enjoy stories about mysterious phenomena and want to continue exploring the secrets of the world and the universe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll be back with even more fascinating videos about strange phenomena, scientific theories, and stories from beyond. Make sure you don't miss any updates by clicking the notification bell to stay informed about our latest content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next journey of discovery.